Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. And this week, I'm going to try 2 different vegan mac and cheese. I'm going to let you know what I think in just a few minutes. So I found both of these at either Kroger or Walmart. I'm not really sure. I don't want to lie to you. So this one is Annie's. It's vegan cheese, of course. Of course, you know, cooking it, boil it in water, add the cheese later. This one, so it has a total of 900 calories, 24 grams of fat, and 23 grams of protein. So that is amazing. So the Bonza is using chickpea pasta. This one has 12 grams of protein, gluten-free. It's, of course, made with chickpeas. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, again, it has 230 calories. It has calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Oh, look at this one. This one, the Annie's, has calcium, iron, and potassium. So looking at the two, the Bonza has more potassium. It has more iron. And has more calcium. So yeah, it has more in this. This one again, this has 60. This has 40. The iron is 3. This has 2.6. And the potassium is 610. And this is 250. So based on the ounces, this has more ounces, this has less, and it has way more nutrients. So just off of the nutritional value, this one is a better one. So I'll let you know what I think in a few minutes. All right, so now it's time to taste it. Just so you know, make sure you have some unsweetened vegan milk with this one. This one, of course, has the packaging, just so you know. So I'm gonna go right on in, just based on looks. The Annie's looks kind of dry. Just look at that. It looks, it needs a little more cheese. Now this one, I don't know. I don't know. But here we go. So. It's different. It's a different taste. I mean, of course, it is using chickpea. Very different taste. This one's dry. Yeah. I don't really care for either one, but if I have to pick between the two, even though this one is dry, I could probably, I could fix either one up. I don't know. I would go with the Annie's over the Bonza chickpea one. It's really dry, but I could fix this one up a little bit better. Maybe add some Simple Truth cheese. You know, I could, pizzazz it up. So yeah, out of the two, if I had to pick, I would go with the Annie's over the Bonza. Yeah. So rating, I would give them both a 6. They're not that great, but you can definitely make them taste a little bit better. It's to be expected with vegan macaroni and cheese, because you're not gonna get what you're used to. But yeah, this one needs some more cheese. Like, just look how dry that is. What's going on? This one, I don't know. I would probably make this with something else and maybe it'll taste better. But yeah, try these out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other mac and cheese you like. I've tried the Daya. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.